furniture treat, furniture treat. Yes, we offer a 5-year guarantee, top quality.
So the first thing that that I would do is I'd grab the 4 wood dowels, the smaller ones out, there's only 4 of them, and so you will notice that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. So the wood dowels will go in the bigger holes. So I just push those in just like that, and push those in, and then on the side here these the holes again, okay, and then so once again these dowels just go in there and in there, okay. From there I'll grab three of these, okay, locking pins, and you can use a screwdriver and they will just screw into here just like that. Screw into there, or you can use a battery drill. I tend to use a battery drill, it's a little bit quicker for me, and you just screw them in there, making sure you don't over tighten them. One in there, and one in there. Then I grab the other 3 and I just go through and screw them in here. Once again, if you don't have a battery drill, you only got a Phillips screwdriver, you just screw them in. So from there, I grab our back support, okay, and I put the nicely finished side facing away from me. From there, there's 5 holes. I line all 5 holes up and just slide that on. Okay, that will sit there just like that. Then I grab 3 of these, and these are the lock for the locking pin. Alright, so from there I just push that up, place the opened end into the hole, grabbing my trusty Phillips screwdriver and just screwing it until you feel it lock. Repeating the action on the other 2 holes, sorry. So from there I grab the other leg or the other side. We've already gone through and put these in, and once again we're just matching the 5 holes up. Just matching the 5 holes up and sliding it on. Grabbing another 3 of these and just repeating the same action. Okay, once we've got our desk half assembled, then I pull out this drawer. On the side here, these little things, so you pull that down and take the drawer out, making sure you don't mix up your drawers. Okay, so that's my top drawer. I've put it to the right hand side. I take out my second drawer as well, using these little things again, sliding it out and I'm going to put this one to the left hand side. So I know that my second drawer is the left hand side, my top drawer is the right hand side. So once we've got those out, then I will come through and I grab these wooden dowels, the thicker ones out of all of them, and on top of your desk there'll be holes. I'm just going through and just putting them all in the holes. Just like that. From there, I'll grab the top of my desk, okay, and as you can see, there's holes on the bottom facing of the desk, and those holes will line up with the wooden dowels that you've just put in. So from there, I would just sit it on it just like that, just getting it sitting on there, and then from there you can actually line up your dowels just like that, and then from there I would do the ends first, just like that, just making sure that all your dowels are inside the holes, which they are, so that's all fine and dandy. From there is 7 little black screws, okay. So they will, three of them will go up underneath here, here and here. And the other four will go up under here. Once again, you can use your trusty screwdriver, but I tend to use a battery drill just because it's a little bit quicker and a little bit more convenient. So from there, I just put them up in there. So you should have 2 brass screws just like this. So they get screwed up, one there and one there. You'll be able to feel with your finger where the screw holes are. So from there, that's your desktop screwed on. Okay, and from here we just put our drawers back in.